Hey there, it's Mike here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Fit Bento Storage Box. Now, before I jump into this review, I just want to let you know that I did receive this in exchange for doing a review. I may get a commission if you purchase through my link. However, that being said, I'm going to tell you what I like about this and what I don't like about it, as always. So, yeah, these are kind of cool, a different type of box. They call them a bento box. They are dishwasher safe, they're microwave safe, and they are freezer safe. They are BPA free. They are most likely what you are looking for. If you're looking for a way of doing like portion control or food storage, or if you want to be able to send something to school with your kids. Now, the way this works, they have an airtight seal here so that you can put stuff in here. You can put liquids in here and it's not going to come out. You can have it all nice and sealed. And the thing that's kind of neat about this is the removable containers. So you can have it, if you want to put something big in there, you can have it so you just have something big. You can have it so that if you've got different portions of different things that you want to have, so it doesn't all run together. You can do that with this type of a storage thing and portion out your meals. It comes with 3 of them in the pack, and yeah, it's kind of a neat idea. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this review.